everyone, Mothering Day is coming up soon, so I'm making an easy and simple snack for my mom. Okay, these are the ingredients that I need. So they are pepper, sausage, margarine, baking powder and salt, sugar, onions, flour, egg and water. I'm grating the sausage. I'm also grating the onions.
Okay.
My onions into my sausage. Then I'll measure in half teaspoon of pepper. Okay, so I'm not adding any seasoning to this because the sausage itself has seasoning. So I'll put the sausage aside. Start the procedure of the dough. Okay, now I'll start with my flour, my sugar, my salt and baking powder. You may use any choice, maybe your hands or the wooden spoon, but I decided to use my hand. You mix it till you get like a breadcrumb consistency. Now I'll be adding the liquid. And you mix it together to get a dough form. Okay, as I'm mixing the dough, you add a little flour to your hand so the dough won't stick to your hand. Now I'll be kneading the dough on my table, my scale and my dough. Now I'll be cutting them into 50 grams. 58. If it's more, just reduce. Now I'll finish roll. Now I'll roll them. Okay. I've finished the boiling and the dish.
Okay.
And now I'll be placing them on the tray so they'll be ready to be fried. Now I'm washing the tools that I used.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm about to fry this. It should be done golden brown. Now next is golden and brown. So my sausage ring rolls are ready to eat. They look delicious. With a drink besides.
Really nice.
Take a drink.
You want me to take a drink? Imagine.
Yes.
Not the usual Sprite though. Yeah. Thanks, dear.
Thank you, Mom. Bye.
Bye.